To create a construction cost management document, simply select the Cost Management option from the New button or the Document Creation Assistant. This helps us through the creation of the new document. Select the type of document to create, in this case an accounting document or construction cost management document, and the wizard options. Here we simply select Default to create an empty document. From Template, to access settings from Data from a generic template, or maybe from Project to dynamically import all of the relevant data directly from a project document. Let's select Project and click on the Next button. To indicate the reference project, select the Browse button here at the top, and from the Reference Project window, select the document and confirm, and then click on Next. The wizard now gives us the opportunity to select the type of contract, and based on this choice, automatically enables or disables fields. The reference bill of quantities is structured as measurement and lump sum, so the contract type automatically displays mixed contract type. And for the proposal type, we also have indications of the type of proposal. From here on, selecting the Next button, you can check and or integrate all other general data that the wizard has imported from the reference project that we loaded earlier on. You have the settings for page and for numeric fields. We have the general data, the financial table, and now you can see the amounts and discounts page is already filled in with the project data with all of the necessary settings and the data previously defined in the wizard, such as type of contract, proposal, the project amounts, proposal amounts, safety amounts imported from the financial table, and the contract amount calculated automatically. At this stage we can simply click on Finish, and notice that in the price list editor you see all of the items ready to be calculated. Measurement items with the corresponding project price and proposal price, the work categories deriving from the reference project document. Before calculating the lump sum works, it can be useful to verify that all of the sums of rates cover the entire amount of the lump sum works. Again, another useful tool from the Tools menu is Verify Rates Amount option. Let's now click on the Calculate button to start the verification. In this case, the check is positive, which means that the sum of the rates or the total amount for each work group covers the entire amount of lump sum works. As you can see, the calculated total amount corresponds to the sum of all work groups. So if you're using rates, you would have 100% in the result field. On the other hand, if the check had been negative, we would have had to refer to the contract specifications and make the appropriate adjustments to one or more of the work groups until the calculated rate results to be 100%.